Hello everyone. Sorry for the delay. We are 18 minutes late. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are fine. So let's start today profit and loss. Okay. Today we have to start profit and loss. So first of all talk about profit. What is profit exactly? I'm giving you an example. Okay. If I say a bag's cost is rupees 363, right? And I want to sell it. I want to resell the bag. I want to resell the bag in uh, 3 or 450, let's say. Okay. So what will be the, you know, what is cost price here? What is selling price here? So bag's cost is 360 exactly. The bag's cost is 360. That is cost price of a bag is 360, and I want to resell this bag in rupees 450. That means that it is a selling price. I want to sell this bag in this amount. So how to find out that how much I am gaining, how much I'm going to profit from, I'm going to take profit from this bag. 450 minus 365, the answer you get will give you the answer that I'm getting this from, how much I'm profiting from that. Just say 450 minus 365 to 10 minus 5 5, 14 minus 6 how much, 8, so 85 rupees. So I have a profit of 85 rupees, so that is known as profit. If I say about loss, what is loss? Loss means when the cost price, that means the in which amount you have purchased the bag is more than the selling price. Okay, that is more than the selling price, then in that case this is known as loss. Okay, so we can say that if SP is more and CP is less, then this is a profit. Okay, and if CP is more and SP is less, then the difference is loss. Okay, this is profit and this is loss. I think you understand the difference, the basic difference between the CP and the SP. Okay, so let's do some worksheets regarding that. I'm going to do some questions. I have some questions so that you can understand it better. If I say a collector a collector buys a painting for rupees 3500, so and but sells it for rupees 2750, find the gain or loss. So 2750, find the gain or loss. So you have to find out the gain or loss. So we know that the CP he buys, that means the CP of that painting is rupees 3500, and SP selling price is 2750. That means if our CP is more than SP, then we have loss. We already learned about that. Okay, so we know that CP is more here. So if I say 3500 minus 2750, we got 750, so we have a loss of 750 rupees. Okay, because CP is big here. Okay, so in that case always there is a loss. Next question we have, uh, second hand furniture. A second hand furniture dealer buys a used table, a used table for rupees 3250. He spends rupees 500 on polishing and repairing it. So for repairing and polishing he spent some amount of money, that is rupees 500. Okay, then if he sells this, if he sells this table at rupees 4000, then what is his profit? What is his profit? So we have to tell that what is the profit of that, or profit of that particular uh, table. Okay, so first of all we know that the CP is 3250 here. Okay, and this is known as overheads. When we apply some, when we give some money, or when we spend some money on polishing or repairing or something else work, then we call it overhead. So this is 500, and this always adds in CP. Okay, because we purchase this, so after that we spend some money on that particular object, so we have to add this. So our answer is 3750. Then we have SP rupees 4000. Okay, so we have to find out the total profit, because in question we asked that what is his profit. So total profit is SP minus CP, because here SP is big, so 4000 minus 3750. So our answer is 350. So that particular furniture dealer has a profit of rupees 350. Okay. Okay, so let's move ahead. If I say a calculator that costs rupees 517 is sold at rupees 575, what is the profit that is made? What is the profit that is made? So in that case we know CP is 517, SP is 575. So we know that here SP is big, SP is more than CP. So here is the profit. Okay, so profit equals to 575 minus 517, and we got the answer 58. Yes, so this is rupees 58. So that's how you can do some problem sums. uh, let's do some more questions. Okay, some different questions. Okay, these were the questions of problem sums basically, so I'm going to do some different questions. Okay, now you have to find out selling price or cost price of each of these products. Okay, so you have to find out that. So you have to find out selling price and cost price. Okay, so your first question is terracotta pot from West Bengal. The CPay is given, that is rupees 315, and loss is given, that is rupees 38, and you have to tell the selling price. Okay, you have to tell the SP. Since we know that CP is given and we have a loss, and SP is equals to CP minus loss. Okay, so this is the formula, so you should know about that. If there is a loss and CP is given, then CP minus loss, and we have to find out the SP. So SP equals to CP minus loss. Okay, CP minus loss. So how to do that? 315 minus 38. So our answer is what? 15 minus 8 how much? 15 minus 8 how much? 7. 10 minus 3, 7 and 2 here. So selling price is rupees 277. Okay. Now we have next question. Stool from Punjab. So SP is given, that is 690. Then loss is 57. Then you have to find out the CP. So this in terms of rupees. Okay. So since we have given SP and loss, so CP equals to SP minus loss. Okay. So you have to remember this concept. Okay. So 690 minus 57. We have to find out the loss. So 10 minus 7, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. And we have 6 here. So 630, loss of rupees 633. Okay, so CP is 633. Since CP is 633 and SP is 690 and loss is 57. Okay. Now next question. Let's move to the next question. Let's do some different ones. Okay. Since we learn about how to do if we have loss, now we have to learn about that if we have profit, then in that case what we should do. Yes, in that case what we should do. So let's do this one. Okay. We have, okay, let's see. Just give me a moment. We have SP, profit, loss and CP. Okay. So SP is given, that is 2385. Profit is 195. Loss is not there, so you have to find out the CP. Then amount is given 8630 and profit is not given. Loss is given, that is 1020. So you have to find out the CP. Now next one is 74365 and profit is given, that is 2315. So you have to find out the loss. Loss is not there, so you have to find out the CP. In that case, how to do that? Since we know that we have to find out the CP, so CP is what? CP SP plus profit. Yes, CP minus SP minus profit. Yes, and here SP plus profit. So in that case what we have to do, we have to add 2385 plus 195 and the answer will be, you have to write the answer and tell me in the comment box. Then we have to find out the CP here. So formula is SP minus P, that is 8630 minus 1020. Next we have SP plus P. So 74365 plus 2315. Okay, and you have to give me the answer. So that's how we have to find out the values here. Okay, let's move ahead. Let's do some questions on in different way. Just look at that. These are similar ones, but in that case you have to tell that which one is bigger, SP is big or CP is big, so you have to do that way. So now in that case, okay, let's do on the next page. so that we can insert some table here. Yes, let's do that one. Okay, just give me a moment. I have to. Yes, now it's done. Okay, we have to take only 4. Okay, just remove that one, and I'm taking again because I have to take only 4. That is perfect. Yes, that is perfect. Now, okay, let's do this one. Okay, now let's start. If I say this is your CP, this is your SP, and this is your profit or loss, and this is your amount. Okay, so you have to find out profit or loss here. Okay, so you have to find out profit or loss here. So how to find out? If I say your CP is in terms of rupees 2090 and your SP is rupees 2100, so in that case you have to tell me there is a profit or loss, or what will be the amount of profit or loss. Okay, then next we have rupees 8395 and SP is 8935. So look, I told you that in the previous slide, look here, if you say, if we have a profit, that means your selling price is more than your cost price, then you have a profit. And if your cost price is more than selling price, then there is a loss. So you have to look here, if your cost price is less, so you are in loss. Yes, so look here very carefully. If I say your selling price is less, selling price is more, here selling price is, so let's take another color so that you can understand it better. Selling, wait, okay, so selling price, in this case selling price is more than CP, so we have profit. Yes, we have profit. So how to find out the profit? 2100 minus 2090, so we have a profit of rupees 10. Okay, now in that case 8395 and 8935, there is SP is bigger than CP, so we have profit. Yes, in that case also we have profit. So we have to find out how much profit we are gaining right now. So we have to find out by subtracting. So 8935 minus 8395 equals to rupees 540. So there is a profit of 540 rupees. So that's how you can find some questions. You can find the answer of some questions like that only. Okay, and some questions are there which are which are problem sums mainly. So if there are some sums, so you can ask. Almost all the sums are based on CP minus loss equals to SP, or SP minus loss equals to CP, or CP plus P equals to SP, SP plus P equals to CP. So that's how you have to find out some questions. And if there is some overheads are there, that means if CP is already given and it's a let's say CP is cost price is 10, and after purchasing that thing, you work on particular that is of rupees 5. Let's say I purchased a chocolate of rupees 10, and after purchasing that I worked on the cover of, I changed the cover of that particular chocolate, so on that I spent rupees 5. So in that case we have to add CP and overhead, so it becomes 10 plus 5 equals to 15. Okay, otherwise the formula will be same. So I think today's class will be helpful for you, or if you feel any difficulty, please feel free to tell me, and I'll be there to help you every time. Okay, please comment and like and share as much as you can. Okay, I try my best to tell, to teach you. I'm trying my best. So please support me by sharing, liking, and subscribing the channel. That's all from my side for today. Okay, so let's meet again tomorrow. Bye bye.